Hi there, Savewith Crypto here again. Okay, so earlier on today I did a Stonksy video where I was trading Bitcoin on ByBit. I also had a tiny little Ethereum trade going on, and what I did is I closed that one out at 17% profit. Because what I was wondering is if I could use Stonksy on the 1 minute time frame to trade it up to something a bit bigger. Because at the moment it's only worth $7, so you know, I might try some slightly crazy leverage on it. So what I'm using is the Ethereum USD inverse perpetual on ByBit. If you want to use ByBit, and you can in your country, please use my link, which is savewithcrypto.org/ByBit, because you can get up to a $30,000 trading bonus for free, depending on the size of your deposit and your trading volume. So that little S there, that's where I sold my position earlier on. I'm just going to put an entry down here just in case there's a little wick down. So say something like 24.34. So like 24.34. Okay. I'm going to increase the leverage to. Okay, let's try 16. That is really too high for Ethereum, but I'm going to risk it because I'm not risking a lot of money here. So I'm just going to set an order at like that what I said, 24.34. I'm going to go crazy and use all $6 worth, or $7, what is. Or shall I go lower? Maybe go lower. Let's try 24.30. So I'm just doing that whilst I'm looking at Stonksy, because Stonksy here on the 1 minute is still saying red. Okay, I don't want to crowd this with too many indicators. I'm going to try and just do it with Stonksy. So normally I'd be looking at the VRVP to see the volume, but I would probably say this area here is where it might bounce, in which case my 24.30 might be a bit too low. I'm going to try and do it with Stonksy. So I'm looking for either the first bit of black or the first bit of green. It's so tempting to try and guess what it's going to do, isn't it? Shall I have a look on a different time frame? 2 minutes already green, 3 minute isn't. So look, this is the kind of thing we're looking for here, like it did here. So it went right down the bottom on the -1 level, and it did a quick no trade bit with the black background, and then it went green. So that's what I'm hoping for again. Oh look, this went green on the 1 minute. Oh god, okay. Let's try and get that one in. So let's cancel that. And then let's go for something like that, all of it. Okay, buy, confirm. Okay, will that fill? Go down, you bugger. There you go. Right, okay. So currently in a loss by 0.39%, and you can see with like 16x leverage, the liquidation price is 23.07. So it's a bit scarily near, but we're only talking $7, so who cares, Okay, let's go back to Stonksy. Let's have a look what's going on. Okay, still green. That's good. That's on the 1 minute. The 3 minute, how's that looking? Still red. Still red, but look, this red line is going a bit pink now. So maybe that means it's going to go green soon. And meanwhile, the 5 minute, yeah. So I think with this Stonksy, it's going to be a matter of looking at different time frames and getting a feel of how markets move and stuff, and then using the Stonksy thing to confirm what you think. I can see myself, I'm going to be putting those EMAs on top of this and then using them in conjunction with Stonksy. I think that's probably the way I'll end up working. Okay, so I think this 1 minute time frame is a bit too erratic. It's too sort of like up and down really to trade properly. So I don't think I'll be doing that. What happened here was the price came down a little bit, and now it's pretty much back at where I started. Just going back to Bitcoin for the moment, and also going back to my trusty EMA indicators. On the 2 hour time frame, it looks like this yellow and green might cross over in the next 36 seconds. Okay, so this part is sped up by 20 times. Doesn't look particularly dramatic, but the point is that the yellow and the green did cross over. Yes, beautiful. Okay, so that first part of the video all happened on Sunday, and to be honest, I was getting so bored waiting for like a background colour to happen that I kind of forgot about it, to be honest, and I went to bed. And did actually get a big chunk of red here. That was from kind of like 11 o'clock at night until 2 o'clock in the morning. So that was round about the time of the weekly close, wasn't it? And then we got a pump after that, and up we went. So we're now in a green phase, green background on the 5-minute time frame. I think it's probably best to stick to the 5-minute time frame, because those like 1 and 3s are just like so erratic and, you know, just all over the place, really. I must say, this pink double bottom, I drew that on Saturday. That was my speculation of what might happen. And didn't it just, You know, it's pretty good, isn't it? Anyway, so this is the Ethereum one here. And you can see it's only $2 in profit, but it is 31% now, which is pretty cool. So I think that's worth setting a stop loss to protect it. And I can put that right down here, can't I? Like 24.52, something like that. In fact, what I might do is set a trailing stop loss in this one. So I'm going to be looking at a retracement of something like $43. So I'm going to go trailing stop 43. Confirm that. Okay, so that puts that there. So if the price goes up, the stop loss will follow. So I don't need to worry about that for the time being. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin one's doing great. That's currently 65% in profit, $38, which should mean my overall account is probably now over $100, isn't it? Yeah, 110. Cool. So I think what I'll do now, I'll leave this Stonksy on the 5-minute time frame, and I'll look out for the possibility of it going red, the background. I think if it goes black, I think the thing to do is to probably hang on if you're in a reasonable position. Because I did notice with Bitcoin, when we had that blank period last night, which I completely ignored, by the way, the price did actually kind of go up. Then as soon as we got the next green, off we went like a rocket. So I think there probably, with a black background, probably the thing to do is to, protect your position with a stop loss and then see what happens. Because that could have easily gone red as well, like it did here back in September. So it got from green and then went red. That said, the price then was, start of the black period was like 56.7. By the end, it was about the same, really. So it would have been okay just to hang on there and then bail out there. It's not September anymore, so here we are. Anyway, the point of the video is, I think, the fact that this Stonksy indicator does work on Ethereum on the 5-minute time frame. And even if we go to the 1 hour, we would have gone long on the 5th of October at about 2,396, and we would still be long now at 2,490. Not bad. Anyway, I'm going to keep an eye on this and let you know what happens. And the best way to find out about that is to make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you've got the notifications set on all. While you're down there, please do leave a nice comment, or any questions you've got, leave them down there. Do like the video, of course, and above all, tell your friends.